Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Cannella knot, the Italian word for cinnamon. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. We're going to put in a dimple and we're just going to bring it over to the center. We're going to come down around like this. Then we're going to come back up and we're going to come down around like this. Boom. So there we have it. So we're going to keep this pretty loose. We're going to create a loop right here with that. Then we're just going to come back like this. And then if you have anything left over, you can, I guess you can just leave it like that. Put a tie clip on that. So there you have the Cannella. Again, see the full picture of this on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.